Want your engine to last longer? Here are 5 free tips you can do today. Number 1, check your oil every 2 weeks. Number 2, keep your air filter clean, it's your engine's lungs. Number 3, don't ignore dashboard lights, they're not decoration. Number 4, warm up gently, don't redline cold. Number 5, listen for new noises. They're your car's early warning system, simple, free and engine saving. Take care of your motor and it'll take care of you. Like and subscribe for more quick car tips.